Hi, Kyle Stringham here with PURTREK Trek Pole Water Filtration. This is another maintenance video, and in this video, I'm gonna show you about your main filter. So this is your first stage filter where the water enters your pole. This is your second stage filter, and this is a hollow fiber filter that filters at 0.2 micron. Basically, it'll filter out everything in North America, bacteria, cryptosporidium, cysts, those kinds of things. So these are really the filters that I'd say 95% of filters or outdoor filters use. So this filter actually has some bleed valves in it because it is made of hollow fiber, so it can naturally let the water come out of the bottom of your pole through gravity. But say you were using your filter and this was to get plugged. If that was to happen, you would simply use your handle. You would insert your hydration tube into this side and insert the filter here. You would force water through the hydration tube you can have a camel bag backpack that you can push water through, or you could push it through with a hose, just to put at least 5 pounds of pressure, and that backflow will push out a lot of those small particles to unplug your filter. So that's the simple unplugging of this filter, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks so much, and get with PURTREK to get out in the outdoors.